Let's get this one in place. Power supply under there and inside here. No, this way. Good. So we do have the power. This is for the screen. We need that. Okay. We don't need this for a moment. This is the LDVS. We need that too. Okay. This is the on-off button. We need that primarily. We do need that primarily. Let's see if it goes in. No, it doesn't. So we need this guy. Okay. Very well. Right. So what do we have now? Lights are connected. Video is connected. Power to the video is connected. Power is connected. Keyboard, etc. are not. Don't mind about that. Just going to give power to the board to see if it works. It should go to the BIOS. If it does, everything is nice and easy. If it doesn't, well, we'll have a problem. So our power button is here. Power, screen. Let's see that. Okay, so now we're going to give more power. Let's say 2 amps or maybe 2.5. Okay. Good. Okay, power here is good. Wow, entrée. It's working. Okay. Date l'heure a été initialisée à défaut, blabla. Oui, bien sûr. Okay, this board is working. We do now have a computer. And I know somebody who's going to be very, very, very happy. I'm happy too, but I know somebody who's going to be much more happy than I am. So, again, let's put this here. My old eyes. So let's plug everything on. This one has some problems, but I think it'll survive. It's been heated by my soldering thing. All right. We have this one. I hate those things. I really do. Ασύχτηρ μαλακισμένο. You need to have 4 hands to do that. Okay. No, it's not. Okay, let's assume it is. We'll find out later. Then we have this one. Wow. Okay. Let's have this one. See, this goes very nice. This one is a bit stubborn. Yeah, it's very stubborn. I don't know why. Okay. Wow. That's worse than my cat. My cat obeys more than this thing. And finally we have this, which is the audio, but I would love to see how it works without the audio. Good. Yeah. What the heck? Okay. Whoa. And it seems to work. This works. And we're in business. We're fully in business. Thank you, guys. Wasn't easy, I can tell you.